Alright. Oh, look what I got us into. What is wrong with everyone? Oh, I suck at this. Oh, let's just zoom in. I don't even care anymore. This is how much I don't care. Just blow up. Look, I don't care. Look, I don't care if I even blow up. Oh, yes I do. Haha. I'll just shoot him with this. Oh, I'm not gonna die, I'm not gonna die, I'm not gonna die, I'm not gonna die. What are you doing? Not gonna die, not gonna die. Oh, I'm gonna die. Shut up. Oh, stop clicking. Clicky tickers. Anybody behind me? No. But I know there's some more coming up here. You too. Ugh. It's not over.
Dizzy, we could use some light. Don't worry, I got your back like a buck.
What? You? Hey, it's getting all fast. Just run into the darkness. I don't care. Whoa. The surface. Yay! But this is it. This isn't it. One more dude.
Reaver, look out!
Oh yeah, he's going to I'm gonna die.
Taking fire!
That was an honest glitch. Did you see that? He didn't even plop down like they usually do.
Pointers!
Let's make more
Take
blood.
cover!
This looks like fun. Hotel or rooftop?